So I'm going to do a how-to on Storyboard That. Storyboard That is an excellent digital tool that any English teacher can use in their classroom. I use it currently in my classroom, and what I like about it is how students are able to be creative on multiple different platforms. So I have my students utilize this currently as a review after units. You have a bunch of other different layouts that you can use, but what I'm going to do today is just do a how-to on how to get started and create your first storyboard. So the first thing you're going to do is go over here to log on. You're going to click log on. You're then going to click I'm a new user. Then you're going to go over here and click log in using your Google account. You're obviously going to click I have read and understand the terms and conditions, and once you have done that, you can then click on Google again. Takes a second to load all of your information. There we go. Great. So here I am. I'm logged in under my username. It generates it for you. And I'm going to go ahead and create my first storyboard. So I will click create your first storyboard. And it brings me to this template. Now, say my teacher wants me to do a specific type of template. I can go down to here to storyboard layout, and I can click on any of these. You have T-charts, spider maps, timelines. They're great. It offers a lot of excellent services. So we're just going to keep it right now as your traditional cell, which is what we currently have. And then we're going to create a scene. We'll do a little park scene. So you click here on the image that you want and you drag it and it'll pop up. Now say I want this scene to take place at nighttime. I can edit this scene. I can also add filters to the scene. There we go. Darn it. And I can click on right here, edit scene. This will bring me to this time or this table. I can click I want it at nighttime. I want the lights to be on, and I want there to be a background, so I want some people in there. Great. I'm going to update the scene. Now I want to add some people to my scene, so I'm going to go up here and click on characters. Once I've clicked on characters, I have all of these different options of characters to pick from and more. I want to go ahead and go with, I think I want regular adults. I'm going to choose this man. Oops, well, this lady. And this man. And like I did with the scene, I can also edit these people. So I can edit his pose. I can have him tilt his head. I can have him looking confused. I can put both of his hands, on his hips. Great. And that's what that looks like. I can also give him a skin color. Change his eye color, give him some hair, and great. I can do the same thing with her, but in order to save time, I'm going to skip over that, and I'm going to go ahead and move to textables. We want to make sure that they're able to talk, right? So I'm going to go ahead and drag this down, and in here, I can type what they're saying. So you go down to here, and you can click and type. Great. And there we go. Now once I'm done with this, say I finish off all 3 of the cells, I can click Save. I can give it a title. I'm going to go ahead and call this Test Run. And then I click Save Storyboard. And there it is. I can come back later and edit this. I can also copy this. I can download this to a PowerPoint. I can also download this to my Google Drive. That's what I have my students do when they do these projects, and share them on Google Classroom. So that's a how-to on Storyboard that.